Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are looking to extract data from websites and build powerful web crawlers, Scrapy is the absolute best Python framework for the job. Today, I am showing you exactly how to install and set it up perfectly inside Visual Studio Code. Let's get right to it. First, open up Visual Studio Code and make sure you have your project folder open. We are going to do the entire installation right inside the integrated terminal. You can open that up by going to the top menu, clicking View and selecting Terminal, or by just pressing Control and the backtick key on your keyboard. Before we install Scrapy, it is highly recommended to create a virtual environment so its dependencies do not interfere with your other Python projects. In your terminal, type python -m venv and hit Enter. Next, we need to activate that environment. If you are on Windows, type venv /scripts with a capital S /activates. If you're on a Mac, type source venv /bin /activate. You'll know it worked when you see venv in parentheses on the left side of your terminal prompt. Now for the main event. With your environment active, installing the framework is incredibly simple. Just type pip install Scrapy and hit Enter. Visual Studio Code will reach out and download the Scrapy package along with all the necessary background tools it needs to run. Once the installation finishes, let's verify that everything is working perfectly. Create a brand new Python file in your folder and name it test.py. Inside that file, type import requests on the first line. On the next line, type response equals request.get, and then pass in a simple web address in quotes, like https://api.github.com. Finally, type print response.status_code. Hit the play button in the top right corner. If your terminal prints out 200, which is the standard HTTP success code, your installation is completely successful. And that's it. You are officially ready to start pulling data from the web. If this quick setup guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below letting me know what website you are planning to scrape first, and I will see you in the next one.